Welcome. Today we're exploring how ResolveMass Laboratories has become one of the leading deuterated chemical synthesis companies in the United States. At its core, ResolveMass focuses on precision deuteration, helping scientists generate clearer data, more accurate analytical measurements, and more reliable research outcomes. This presentation will walk through why deuterium matters, the challenges in producing deuterated compounds, and how ResolveMass has built a strong reputation grounded in scientific expertise and innovation. Deuterium is not just a heavier version of hydrogen, it's a powerful tool in chemical research. When hydrogen in a molecule is replaced with deuterium, interference in analytical measurements is drastically reduced. This leads to sharper NMR spectra, more accurate LC-MS and GC-MS data, and clearer molecular insight. In metabolomics, drug tracing, and polymer dynamics, deuterium essentially works like a spotlight, highlighting molecular structure and behavior that might otherwise be hidden. In simple terms, deuterium makes complex science easier to see, interpret, and trust. However, producing deuterated compounds is not simple. It requires extremely controlled reaction conditions, high isotopic incorporation, specialized purification, and thorough analytical validation. If deuteration levels are inconsistent or purity drops even slightly, research results can become skewed. Many suppliers struggle to maintain this level of precision, especially when scaling up production. This is where ResolveMass steps in. They recognize the need for a supplier that could deliver both quality and consistency. ResolveMass Laboratories is a North America-based manufacturer specializing in high-purity deuterated compounds. But they're more than a supplier. They collaborate directly with researchers. From pharmaceuticals to electronics, polymer science to academic R&D, ResolveMass supports scientists who rely on accurate, reproducible results. Their approach blends deep chemical expertise with hands-on scientific communication, ensuring customers get not just products, but the right solutions for their research goals. ResolveMass offers one of the largest customizable portfolios of deuterated compounds. These include deuterated APIs for drug development, deuterated polymers and materials for advanced manufacturing, deuterated internal standards for LC-MS accuracy, specialty deuterated reagents, and high-purity NMR solvents. Each compound is analytically verified using NMR, LC-MS, and IR, and is supplied with a certificate of analysis for full traceability. This ensures every researcher knows exactly what they are working with. The real strength of ResolveMass lies in their synthesis methods. Their chemists use controlled hydrogen-to-deuterium exchange strategies, multi-step synthetic routes for complex labeling patterns, and purification workflows designed to maintain isotopic integrity. Every batch is tested to ensure greater than or equal to 99.5% isotopic purity, meaning the structure behaves consistently in analytical workflows. And, just as importantly, ResolveMass maintains batch-to-batch reproducibility, which is essential for research continuity and pharmaceutical compliance. The impact of deuterated compounds is seen across multiple industries. In pharmaceuticals, they help researchers understand how drugs break down and move through the body. In polymer research, Deuterated polymers allow scientists to monitor molecular changes during stress or temperature shifts. In analytical chemistry, deuterated internal standards improve mass spectrometry accuracy. And in electronics, deuterated reagents contribute to more stable OLED and semiconductor materials. These applications demonstrate how deuteration directly accelerates innovation. One of the defining features of ResolveMass is their collaborative approach. Instead of simply sending a catalogue, they work directly with scientists to understand experimental goals and design precise deuteration strategies. They scale production from milligram quantities for research to multi-kilogram levels for manufacturing. And throughout the process, they provide analytical support and scientific guidance. This reduces development time, prevents costly trial and error, and ensures research moves forward efficiently. Researchers return to ResolveMass because of their reliability. Their facilities operate under ISO and GMP standards, ensuring consistently high purity and regulatory compliance. They provide transparent communication, fast technical support, and global logistics with full batch traceability. Most importantly, their products deliver data scientists can trust. When research decisions depend on accuracy, the quality of deuterated chemicals becomes critical, and ResolveMass delivers that precision. In summary, deuterated compounds play a vital role in analytical chemistry, pharmaceutical development, polymer research, and materials science. ResolveMass Laboratories has earned its reputation by combining scientific rigor with collaborative support. If your research requires consistency, reproducibility, and high-purity deuterated compounds, partnering with ResolveMass can help strengthen your experiments and accelerate discovery. For more information or collaboration inquiries, you can contact them directly. Because in research, science moves faster when your data is reliable.